We had a pretty typical American life. House in the suburbs, 2 kids. I worked for a big technology company, and we were very active in our church. Life was good. We had another son. That was kind of an unexpected pregnancy, and he only lived 8 days. And after that, we just felt like we needed to do something different. And we had friends that worked at Rift Valley Academy, and they asked us, why don't you come out for a year and be dorm parents? So we came out to Rift Valley Academy, which is a boarding school for missionary kids, and wonderful healing year. And the last week we were here, there was a drought and famine going on. And so a bunch of people were delivering food to schools and invited me to go. And we had some food and we brought it in, and all the kids were lying on the ground. It was a dirt floor, and I asked the teacher why, and she said it's Thursday and they haven't eaten since Monday. When they sit up straight, they faint. When we came back, we decided to try to just consistently provide lunches to a school. And in a year that we did that, there were no dropouts when there usually would be about 50% dropout rate, and no delinquencies. So we tried another school, and we had the same results. Kids stayed for the meal, but they also achieved better because they weren't hungry.
Last year we got a trophy of second most improved school in the division. Our division comprises of about 75 schools. So being the second most improved school, that means now, not that they were not good in learning, but because of the boosting of the food, that is how we realize that performance.
Well, if you love irony, you'd love Canton, because it's one of the most beautiful locations in the world. You pay $1 million an acre to live in a place like this in the United States. If you don't own a car, it's a curse, because it's a hilly area and it's hard to get to. And these are very, very poor children. The first time I came here, out of a class of 400, I only counted 27 pairs of shoes. They're done better now, and partly because of the food. The parents are using the money they save that they might feed the kids with to buy shoes for the kids. What I learned is that until you have proper nutrition, you're never going to achieve vocationally and academically. So it's been a great thing to have it. Hungry kids don't learn. Kids that aren't hungry are excited to learn. It cost us about $1.50 to feed a kid for a month. So we did another school, same thing. So we're up to about 6 schools, and I was delivering food to a school, and they were telling me that their goal was to have 1 book for every 4 kids, and presently they had 1 book for every 14 kids. And went out, and the president's caravan went by, and he went by in a brand new Mercedes, which is all good, he's president, but the next 18 government cars were brand new Mercedes. And I realized that aid to this country probably wouldn't go to schools that went to other causes. And the idea came, I wish I could say I prayed and was holy, but I was hitting my head on the steering wheel. And we felt like if we could build a solar computer center and we combined good nutrition with learning technology, that we could change the country, because we could change the kids. Well, welcome to Karima, the secondary school. It's combined with the primary school, and together there's about 1,000 students. This is the first computer center we ever set up. It's an old shipping container. We cut windows in and put solar on top and made it a comfortable place where they can learn to use technology. This is inside the center. We put in a wood floor and benches. And we have 10 laptops in each center. And that provides a one-on-one opportunity for the teacher and the kids, because most of these kids have never seen computers before. We hire the teachers and we pay the teachers. That way we can control that the teachers don't have to do other things at the school.
So where do we move while we go to opening Excel?
I'm teaching them from introduction to computers, videos, about exploring the videos, then Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint.
So how do they feel to be doing computers?
They are very proud anyway. They're very proud.
Let us type 3 sentences only.
In fact, it has now even improved the morale of learning. Because now, when pupils in this institution, when other people hear that our pupils are learning computer here, everybody's coming in, they are not believing it. Now, these kids now will be aware, they will be computer literate, such that when they go outside, they can go straight for employment. Yeah, because they will be aware and now aware of how it works and all what to do with the computers.
Computer is something I enjoy very much because I learn more new things that earlier I have not learned them in primary schools.
What do you want to do when you graduate?
I want to do computer engineering.
Ah, I like that. That's good. Are you going to go to university in Nairobi?
And anywhere where I get a chance.
Our hope is that when somebody graduates from this school, they'll be certified in Microsoft Office. The average educational age in Kenya right now is 7th grade. We can get them through high school with good nutrition and then learn technology. They're going to be able to find jobs or make jobs, and they're going to change the country. The solution to the problems of any country have to come from within the country. And our goal is to develop Christian leaders who are educated that can change the country. Whoa, very nice. Have you done a picture of me yet? If they did a picture of me, teacher would give them an A.